In the world we live in, there's constant pressure to do more, achieve more, and keep pushing harder. We're told that success is defined by how much we can accomplish, how fast we move, and how much we can juggle. But here's the truth. Constant hustle without rest is not a path to success. It's a recipe for burnout. True relaxation isn't about taking a break only when you're exhausted. It's about creating the space for rest, recovery, and mental clarity throughout your day to ensure you're operating at your best, not just physically, but mentally and emotionally too. Relaxation is not a luxury, it's a necessity. It's easy to believe that resting is unproductive, that taking a pause is a waste of time. But the reality is that relaxation fuels productivity. When you allow yourself to truly rest, you reset your mind, body, and spirit. The most effective men aren't the ones who are constantly working. They are the ones who know the value of stepping back, recharging, and then coming back stronger. In those moments of relaxation, you process thoughts, calm your nervous system, and recharge your energy. The lesson that many men learn too late is that relaxation isn't just about physical rest. It's about mental and emotional rest too. True relaxation involves letting go of all the mental clutter, taking a moment to breathe, and just being present. This space of stillness allows you to center yourself, regain focus, and approach life's challenges with a clearer mind. The man who learns to prioritize rest doesn't burn out. He understands that balance is key to long-term success. Relaxation is not an indulgence, it's an investment in your future well-being. Without it, you risk losing your clarity, your energy, and your peace of mind.